Hi! Welcome back, guys. The 2025 Honda Accord is set to make a big splash with its revamped virtual appearance. When it comes to family sedans, many are looking forward to the 2025 Honda Accord. The most recent rumors and conjecture about the 2025 Honda Accord redesign are displayed in this video. We will also provide details regarding the new model's anticipated release date, pricing, performance, and features. Watch this video if you love Honda vehicles. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment box once you've watched. As an example, the 2024 Honda CR-V gets a new Sport L trim to increase its appeal to buyers young and active with a hybrid powertrain, in contrast to Toyota's efforts to unseat General Motors as the top-selling automaker in the US market. A daring facelift, an interior that's tech-savvy, and Honda's legendary fuel efficiency are all on the menu for this next-gen vehicle. What do we know so far? Let's examine it more closely. Thanks to its redesigned grille and contoured body lines, the 2025 model seems more aerodynamic and modern. Imagine an elegant blend of sportiness and modernity. Sleek LED taillights and headlights give it a modern look. Entering the 2025 Accord Hybrid, you'll find a driver-focused cabin with an upgraded infotainment system that works in tandem with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The screen is bigger and more capacitive. Speech recognition, and numerous connections. The ideal journey awaits you and your passengers in this luxurious vehicle, outfitted with supportive seats and high-quality materials. The 2025 Accord Hybrid, according to rumors, will keep the same 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and electric motor combo that produces about 212 horsepower. This bodes well for fuel economy, probably surpassing the 48 miles per gallon average of the current model. A 1.5-liter and a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, which are not hybrids, might be offered as well. Although Honda has not officially announced it, the 2025 Accord Hybrid is expected to make its debut in the first half of that year. We expect pre-orders to start in the latter half of 2024. The pricing is also unknown, but based on the features and technologies, the experts predict that the base trim will start at about $28,595. In the mid-size sedan market, the 2025 Honda Accord Hybrid is expected to make a big impression. In the meantime, stay tuned for more updates and confirmed details as we await the formal unveiling of this vehicle, which promises superior fuel economy, a sleek exterior, and an interior packed with technology. Is the 2025 Accord Hybrid something you're looking forward to? Thanks for watching.